The following is a tutorial on how to modify the Maserati Ghibli to a 10.6-inch screen. First, pry out the screen frame. The frame is extremely difficult to pry. Must be careful. Next, remove the 4 screws. Pry out the air outlet. Remove the 4 screen screws. Remove the screen. Unplug the cable. Remove the baffles on both sides of the console. Remove the gear lever. Remove the screws on both sides of the console. Remove the screws from the air conditioner panel. Remove the air conditioning panel. Remove the original car air outlet. Install the removed air outlets on both sides of the new screen. Now go antenna. Start transfer. Reinstall the CD host. Tighten the screws. Start plugging in. Remove the clip on the original car air outlet, installed on the car. Replacing the display. Look at the comparison.